Hey everyone, Craig with CostCertified. One of the best ways you can make a shopping experience for your clients is by creating upgrades and downgrades. Here, I've got 3 different kitchen faucets right now, and I want to design these to be an upgrade or a downgrade for my clients currently. So here I've got the Glacier Bay. I've selected it, and you can see that I've got the chevron pointed upwards here. That means I've got an upgrade option available. But let me show you how you build that. So I'm going to go to the next one down, which will be Moen, because I like to do it by price point. I'm going to click on it. We're going to scroll down once it opens to this point here that says add upgrades or options. I'm going to click on that. And then it's going to be in your item library. I've created a category called kitchen faucets, so it holds the 3 faucets that we are talking about today. So right now I'm currently working on the Moen. I want to have the upgrade downgrade availability for the Glacier Bay as well as the Delta. I don't need to select all 3 because I'm currently selecting already the Moen because that's the one I'm working on. Add the 2 selected. And I'm going to close out of that, and it's going to add the chevron pointed upwards to showcase that this one is an upgrade as well. Now the other piece to remember is when you're creating upgrades and downgrades, it's easy to create the upgrade portion, but people tend to forget that you have to be able to give the customers the ability to downgrade, and that's by making sure that all of them have the upgrade and downgrade availability. So here on the last one, I'm going to click on Delta. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to scroll down to add upgrades and options. Click on that, and then I'm going to select, because I'm working on the Delta, I'm going to select Glacier Bay and then the Moen as well. Add the 2, and we've now added the upgrades and downgrades to all 3 of the items. So what the customer then is going to see, because I don't need to have all 3 of these in here, I'm going to remove 2 of them. And what the customer then is going to see is, under preview, this. So here they've got the Glacier Bay. It's going to tell you the price, and then you have the ability to upgrade to the other options. So here it says that we've selected this one. If you want to go to the Moen, it's going to be an additional $286. And then if you want to go to the Delta, it's going to be an additional $553. And if I'm the customer and I want to move up, I'm just going to literally click on it. It's going to bring the details up, and then I can make that selection. Downgrading is just as easy. If I find that this price is a little bit too high and I want to go to the Moen, you click on it, and then you make that selection. And it will bring you back down to the amount that you're choosing, which will show on your project total.